Today I'm going to show you how to mix audio on Instagram Reels. Whether you want to add music, voiceovers, or sound effects, this tutorial will help you create the perfect audio experience for your Reels. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on the plus icon and select on Reel sections. Now you can either record a new video by holding the capture button or upload a video from gallery by tapping on the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. This will open up the music library where you can browse popular songs or search for specific tracks. Once you find a song you like, tap on it to preview.
Later.
You can choose a specific part of the song you want by dragging the slider like this. Now click on tone. Now this is where the mixing magic happens. You can adjust the volume of the music by tapping on the music icon again and using the slider. If you cannot find it, you may need to update your app. Now if you want to add a voiceover, tap on the microphone icon. Let me show you how. Here you can see voiceover. You can simply tap on it and talk to add the voiceover. Like that. If you want to add a voiceover, tap on the microphone icon and hold down the button to record your voice while your video plays. This is great for adding commentary or personal touches. You can also add second sound like this. Make sure to preview your reel and adjust the audio levels. You can also choose where you want to keep two sounds. And when you're satisfied with your audio mix, tap on next. You can simply add a caption, hashtags, and any other details. Finally, tap on share to post your reel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.